Hi, welcome to the product development expenses tracker template. This is a template which will help keep track of all your product development cost in one glance. On the left side, we have a summary section which shows the total budgeted expense, the total expenses incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred. On the right side, we have three different sections. That is the account section. Here you can set up the categories and the subcategories related to the product development cost. On the top, we have three different categories defined. Once you click on any of these categories, you can add your own category as you wish to add. And if you scroll to the right, you can completely add a new category by clicking on this plus icon over here. So clicking on this will help you edit the existing category, and clicking on this plus over here will help you to add a new category. For every category, there has been three subcategories which have been defined. You can click this pencil icon to edit this existing subcategory, or you can click on this new over here to add a new subcategory. For every subcategory, there is an amount which has been defined. Click on this to set a new specific budgeted amount for the specific cost. So if you change this budgeted amount, it will automatically reflect on the left side. Then moving on, we have the expenses section where we can see for every subcategory the expenses that have been incurred. We have got the budgeted amount and the total expenses incurred and the percentage of actual expenses incurred for the specific budgeted amount. And finally, we have the transaction section where you can add your own expenses for the specific subcategory expenses. So here we have added three expenses for the manufacturing, branding, and market. You can click on this and you can set your own subcategorical cost over here, and it will automatically reflect on the budgeted expenses side. This template can be customized as per your own specific requirement. If you need to customize this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you.